In the last 2 months, this faceless YouTube channel has earned over $155,000 from uploading these simple motivational videos. If we take a closer look, it was literally started 3 or 4 months ago. The second video that was uploaded has got over 1 million views, which is just insane. In this video, I'm going to show you precisely how you can start your own YouTube automation channel, and you won't need a single employee because I found a few AI tools that will let you automate the entire process. To show you the proof, here's a quick clip of the video I was able to create in 15 minutes that is better than the video Stoic Bond uploaded, which got over 1 million views. We find ourselves at the cusp of daily rebirth. It is in these moments that the wisdom of Stoicism can anchor us not merely to endure the day, but to embrace it with. So there's actually 5 parts to creating the actual video, but I'm also going to be revealing one last tip at the end of the video that I've learned from running multiple faceless YouTube channels. People usually pay thousands of dollars for this information, buying courses, so make sure you listen. To start off, we need an idea and a script. As for the idea, I would recommend starting off by relying on proven concepts, meaning you take inspiration from other videos on YouTube that are performing well. For this example, I'll go with the same idea as the reference video with 1 million views, which is 7 things you should do every morning. To generate the script, we'll use the best AI tool available right now, ChatGPT, preferably ChatGPT 4 if you want the best possible results, but it doesn't really matter. So just go ahead and open a new chat. I've created a perfect prompt that will give you a script tailored for the style of these Stoicism channels. As you can see, it's pretty long, so I'll just paste it in the description. What you need to do, however, is change this part here. Insert your own topic that the video is going to be about, and the script will be written according to that. Now let's just send the prompt. Since I've already written my topic, as you can see, it generates the entire script with an ancient and wise tone. Perfect for Stoicism channels. The best part is that this prompt also cites Stoic legends such as Marcus Aurelius, which makes the content a lot better. Keep in mind when creating your actual videos, try to make a script that has a length of around 1,500 to 1,600 words, as that will translate to about 8 minutes. This is really important since the RPM, meaning the amount of money you get per 1,000 views, will increase by a lot for longer videos. Anyways, now that we've got the first draft of our script, it's time for the next step in my blueprint, generating the voice that has a voice with the absolute perfect tone and sound. This would normally be super hard to find or cost you over $600 for 5,000 words, which is absolutely crazy. The site is called 11 Labs, so just sign up for a free account and head over to the voice library. Here you can listen to a sample of the different voices to hear what they sound like. We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life. Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available. The voice that's going to be perfect for these videos is this one called Marcus, labeled with an authoritative and deep voice. Let's listen to the sample. Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Right, that is completely perfect. Normally you click on Add to Voice Lab, but I've already done it, so I'll see you at that page. Once you're in the Voice Lab, just click on Use, and it'll take you to another page. Here you don't actually need to tweak anything, so I'm going to go ahead and paste my script and then press Generate. Now it's going to start generating the voiceover. As you'll soon hear, it generates small snippets at a time, so give it some time to make the entire voiceover. Once it's done, just press the little download button in the bottom right corner. And now it's time for creating the visual content. I'm going to be using Midjourney since there's a feature that'll let me create multiple images in the same style. If you're using anything other than Midjourney, you'll have to remove the last part of the prompt that says in style, and then some random numbers. Now paste the prompt into the Discord chat and make sure the server has the Midjourney bot added to it. You can press this little button here and it will regenerate the prompt, so I'll do it to get a lot of different images. Then just go to your Midjourney account on the web and download all the images and put them in the video folder. Next up, we're going to put all this together. The best way to do this is by using Canva. It's really intuitive and easy to use. Not to mention, it's completely free. What you want to do is open the Canva website, click Create, and then choose YouTube Gaming Video. It will give you a blank canvas as shown here. And the first step is to insert your AI-generated pictures into different pages. To do this, click on Uploads to the left, and then Upload Files. I've already uploaded all my images before, so I'll just pick them from there and insert my pictures into the pages by just highlighting the blank page and then pressing the image. Make sure to change the duration that the image is shown for, and here you can pick whatever works best for your video. I'm going to go with 10 seconds for each image. Then press on your first picture and then animate. We're going to scroll down and add a little zoom effect to each image. I would recommend using the same settings as me for this, and then also click on Apply to All Pages. You can also play around with some transitions, but just go with the most simple ones since we don't need to distract the viewers. Apply to all pages and let's move on. After this, press Elements and search for Old Film. You'll see this specific one that I like to use, but again, you can use anything you want because they all do the same thing. Make sure to make this size fit your canvas, then just duplicate it and put it on every single page since we want the same effect for the entire video. This step is crucial. Don't make the same mistake I did. You need to make sure that there is no animation applied to the old film overlays. Otherwise, you will get this unnecessarily long white transition for no reason. Anyways, let's take a quick look at the video. Everything looks good. Now it's time to add the actual voiceover. So just click on Uploads again and then upload your voiceover. You basically only have to click it in Canva and it will appear as an audio track. I would move it a little bit so that it doesn't start immediately when the video plays. In the quiet hours of the morning as the world stirs awake. Sounds good, looks good. If you feel like something's missing, however, it's because we have no music. In order to find a really great track that isn't copyrighted, meaning you could use it for free on YouTube, head over to a website called Pixabay. Try searching for some keywords like ancient or mysterious, and you'll get a bunch of suggestions. I found this one that sounds really good for this type of video, so just go ahead and download the track you find, and then do the same process as you did with the voiceover. Just upload it and apply it to the video. Also, make sure to change the volume of the music so it doesn't take over the entire video. Now let's listen to the clip once again. In the quiet hours of the morning, as the world stirs awake, we find ourselves at the cusp of daily. The difference is huge. You've already completed most of the work, but there's one crucial element that can't be ignored: subtitles. For these types of videos, subtitles are not just an extra feature, they're essential. Why? Because without much engaging video footage, the text becomes the key to keeping your audience interested in following along. Without subtitles, you run the risk of losing viewer engagement, and that's the last thing you want. Now here's the thing, Canva, as good as it is for design, doesn't seem to have an automatic subtitling feature, unless I missed something. But don't worry, because there's an alternative that works brilliantly. Let me introduce you to Capwing, a website that can automatically generate and insert subtitles directly into your video. No complicated steps required. Just upload your video to Capwing, and it will handle the subtitle generation for you. Once the subtitles are in place, you're not quite done yet. Make sure to style them a bit. Add some color to the text to make it pop and catch attention. Also, align the font to the middle of the screen to give it a polished and professional look. This small touch makes a big difference in the final presentation of your video. After that, all that's left is to hit export and you're ready to go. Your video will now be much more engaging, and your audience will appreciate the added clarity the subtitles provide. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and stay tuned for more content like this.